In our next problem, we'll come up with the equation of a conic section in standard form. We're given a hyperbola with information about the foci and the vertices. Let's do just a quick sketch of these points to help us. We can see that we have one focus located at 0, -10, and we have another one located up on the y-axis at 0, +10. It's important to remember that the focus is always c units from the center of a hyperbola. So therefore our center has to be located at 0, 0, since it's halfway in between each focus, and we can see that c is equal to 10. Now let's look at the vertices. The vertices are located at 0, -7, and there's one at 0, +7. So the vertex is 7 units from the center, and the vertex is denoted by A units. In this case, A is 7. So we have C is 10 and A is 7. Remember, for the standard form of a hyperbola, we also need B. So in a hyperbola, C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. So we have 10 squared equals 7 squared plus B squared. 100 equals 49 plus B squared. So 51 is equal to B squared. Now we have all the information that we need in order to come up with the equation in standard form of this hyperbola. We know that the y squared term will come first because the transverse axis is the y-axis. The transverse axis always has the vertices and the foci on it. So the y squared will come first in this case, and our equation will be y squared over a squared always comes first in a hyperbola under the positive term. So a squared, well, a is 7, so we have 7 squared. There's always a minus sign. We have x squared over, it will be b squared, so b squared is 51, and that's equal to 1. I can change the 7 squared to 49, and I'll write my final answer as y squared over 49 minus x squared over 51 is equal to 1. That's the equation of this hyperbola in standard form.